we have dragons. My name's Hiccup. Great name, I know, but it's not the worst. Parents believe a hideous name will frighten off gnomes and trolls. Like our charming Viking demeanor wouldn't do that.
Morning! I thought you'd been carried off.
Well, who, me? No, come on, I'm way too muscular for their taste. They wouldn't know what to do with all this. Astrid. Oh, come on, let me out, please. I need to make my mark.
Oh, you made plenty of marks, all in the wrong places.
Please, 2 minutes. I'll kill a dragon. My life will get infinitely better. I might even get a date.
If you ever want to get out there to fight dragons, you need to stop all this.
But you just pointed to all of me.
What is he doing out again? What are you doing out? Get inside! Every time you step outside, disaster falls. Can you not see that I have bigger problems? Winter is almost here, and I have an entire village to feed.
Yeah, between you and me, the village could do with a little less feeding, don't you think? He did hit one.
Sure, Hiccup.
He never listens.
Well, it runs in the family.
And when he does, it's always with this disappointed scowl, like someone skimped on the meat in his sandwich.
Excuse me, barmaid. I'm afraid you brought me the wrong offspring. I ordered an extra large boy with beefy arms, extra guts and glory on the side. This is a talking fish bone.
Now, you're thinking about this all wrong. It's not so much what you look like, it's what's inside that he can't stand.
Thank you for summing that up. Oh, the gods hate me. Some people lose their knife or their mug. No, not me. I managed to lose an entire dragon. Ow!
Dragon training. You start in the morning.
Oh, man, I should have gone first. 'Cause I was thinking, you know, we have a surplus of dragon-fighting Vikings, but do we have enough bread-making Vikings or small home repair?
I hope I get some serious burns.
I'm hoping for some mauling, like on my shoulder or lower back.
Yeah, it's only fun if you get a scar out of it.
Yeah, no kidding, right? Pain. Love it. Well, this was stupid. It's okay. Dad, you're back. I should really get to bed.
Yes,
right about
good.
now.
Okay, good talk.
Yeah,
We
I'll
should do this
see you
again.
back at the
All right.
house. Great. Thanks for stopping by
I'm glad to
and
stop
for
by.
the
Hope you like the
breast hat. Let's pack up. Looks like you and me are taking a little vacation. Forever. Ah, man. Ah, what the? What are you doing here?
I want to know what's going on. No one just gets as good as you do. Especially you. Start talking. Are you training with someone?
Training? I didn't...
It better not involve this.
I know, this looks really bad, but you see, this is, You're right. I'm through with the lies. I've been making outfits. So you got me. It's time everyone knew. Drag me back. Go ahead. Here we go. Ow! Why would you do that?
That's for the lies. That's for everything else.
Oh, man.
Who is him?
Astrid? Toothless. Toothless? Astrid. Da-da-da, we're dead. Whoa. Where do you think you're going?